n8n versus Zapier, why you should switch. Automation is one of the biggest productivity boosters for freelancers, businesses, and creators. Connecting apps like email, Google Sheets, CRMs, forms, and messages can save hours every day. Two of the most talked about animation platforms are Zapier and n8n. And as of 2026, many users are choosing n8n over Zapier. In this guide, we'll walk through what n8n and Zapier actually do, differences in pricing, capabilities, and customization, real-world examples, and when you should switch and when you shouldn't. Now, briefly, let's go over what Zapier and n8n are. Both tools help you automate workflows between apps without writing code. Zapier is a hosted SaaS automation platform that's been around for over a decade. It's known for simplicity, many integrations, and being beginner-friendly. n8n, short for Nodes to Nodes, is a workflow automation platform that's open-sourced and extremely flexible. So at a basic level, Zapier is easy and fast, and n8n is flexible and powerful. But those simple lines hide the real differences, especially when you build complex automations. So let's go over our first key difference, and that is open source versus proprietary. One of the biggest reasons people are switching is that n8n is open source. With n8n, you can self-host the entire platform. You have full control over your data and your security, and you can modify workflows any way you want without limits. Now, as for Zapier over here, it's fully hosted on Zapier's servers. You can't self-host or customize the platform at a code level, and your data stays within their infrastructure unless you export it manually. Now, this matters for businesses with privacy standards, companies that want full data ownership, and developers building advanced automations. So if data ownership and auditability are important, n8n wins hands down. Now let's move towards our second key difference, which is pricing. And so here we go. And first of all, you have the free tier with limited tasks. And then when you move over, you have the paid plans, which are based on the number of automation runs, that is tasks per month, which can get expensive quickly if automations run frequently. Now let's go over to n8n. And there we go. We have the pricing for n8n. Now the free tier has limited tasks again. Now the open source version is free forever if self-hosted. The cloud version has usage-based pricing, which is often cheaper than Zapier. And in the end, you notice that there are no task limits in the self-hosted version. So these are your offers here, and then these are the features as you can see. Now let's put them together side by side, and let's take a look at that with an example. So imagine you have an automation that runs 10,000 times per month. Now on Zapier, if you run that, then every run counts as a task, meaning higher costs. On n8n, which is self-hosted, you run as many workflows as you want for the same server cost. Now, this alone saves thousands of dollars annually for many businesses. Now, let's move over to our third key difference, which is the workflow complexity and logic. Zapier is known for being simple. A typical Zap includes a trigger and then an action. This is great for simple automations, but it starts to struggle when your logic gets complex. So for example, if you want any branching logic, you want loops to repeat actions, and any delays based on conditions and custom code execution, Zapier can do some of these, but only on higher tier plans and often with workarounds. n8n, on the other hand, can work on built-in branches and loops. It can include conditional paths in every workflow. It has the native ability to run custom JavaScript and a visual flow editor like a flowchart. Now, this means that n8n feels more like a low-code automation platform, not just a simple task scheduler. So if your workflows look like flowcharts on a whiteboard, n8n handles them naturally. Zapier often feels like forcing them them into a straight line. Now, let's go over to our fourth key difference, which is integrations and ecosystem. Zapier has been around longer, which means that it includes more integrations. It has approximately over 6,000 apps. It does have mature connectors and easy templates and pre-built workflows. Now, n8n also has many integrations, and because it's open source, you can create custom nodes, you can connect to private APIs without waiting for an official integration, and community nodes also grow rapidly. Now, in practice, Zapier might win if you need a rare app that n8n doesn't yet support. n8n wins if you need deep customizations or need to automate tools without official apps. Now, we're going to talk about some real-world use case examples. So first of all, let's talk about a CRM and lead routing case. Now, for a Zapier setup, what you would do is as soon as a form is submitted, it would be added to the CRM, and then it would be added to the email list, and a notification would be sent right then and there. This is simple and it's fast, and Zapier handles it well. As for n8n, the n8n setup, first of all, the form is submitted. Then it's checked if the lead already exists. Then it dedupes based on email, then enriches lead data from external APIs, adds it to CRM, sends Slack a message, delays the follow-up email after 24 hours if there is no reply. Now, this multi-step conditional workflow is hard to build in Zapier without any expensive plans. In n8n, it is just one flow. Now, let's consider a social media repurposing case. Now, with Zapier, as soon as a new blog post is created or provided, it is posted on Twitter and LinkedIn, fast and easy. With n8n, as soon as a new blog post appears, it generates a summary with AI. Then it generates an image with AI. Then it can also post to Twitter and LinkedIn and YouTube, and then it would add the post information to your Google Sheet. So again, more logic in n8n without hitting task limits or needing advanced Zapier plans. Now, we are saying all these good things about n8n, but there are instances when Zapier still makes more sense. Now, despite all the advantages, there are still moments when Zapier is better for beginners. When you want zero setup, just log in and click the templates, and then you'll be better off with Zapier. You don't want to deal with hosting or server setup, go to Zapier. You only need a few simple automations. You don't mind paying more for convenience, then Zapier is the way to go. Zapier's user interface is polished, and you can get simple automations running in minutes. So if you're just automating one or two tasks, Zapier can still be worth it. Automation is no longer just about linking two apps. It's about building intelligent workflows that save time and scale with your business. Zapier is clean, simple, and reliable, great for beginners or basic automation. But if you want full control, unlimited workflow complexity, cheaper scaling, and the ability to self-host and own your data, and also you want better conditional logic and loops, then n8n becomes the better long-term platform. So whether you're a freelancer, agency, or business owner, learning n8n gives you automation skills that are now in high demand. And that's why many people are close to switching in 2026.